Hi, today I have an interesting Swedish padlock. It's an ANCHOR, I think it's pronounced, lock, LÅS, Sweden, 350, 35 millimeters. It's a very interesting padlock, long shackle, hardened shackle, and here's the key. It's a small one for low security things you can lock, and they're saying on their site is for like toolboxes, clothes, something like that. But to be honest, I was expecting more, meaning I was expecting at least one security pin, maybe spool or yeah, for example. But I did not feel there is a spool or security pins. Even they're saying that it's for low security purpose. But yeah, nevertheless, I'm always expecting for some padlocks or locks to have like some security pin. So let's start picking it. One, it's binding, and come on, click from one, click from two, three, click, four is binding, four, click, and we're open. Yeah, it was some easy pick. Even the beating is high low, but yeah, it's a 4-pin key. I expected maybe a bit more from the Swedish locks, and knowing other famous Swedish lock, but nevertheless it was a very nice pick, pretty interesting one. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.